Hello everyone. So tonight we have Lenovo Legion gaming laptop, which it seems like it's not powering on. So the model number is Lenovo Legion 5 15ACH6H 20 volts, 15 amps. Wow, that's a lot. Okay, so yeah, let's try to hook it to power and see what it does. So hopefully it's focusing my camera. So I have the 20 volts and I think a little power limit here. Let's see. We have, let's go to around 2 amps limit. Good. And now it's power, or I mean the circuit power. It doesn't draw any power. It doesn't light. The charging LED is not on. So it seems like kind of dead. Interesting. No orange light, no charging, nothing. Okay. Let's try again. Nope. Doesn't do anything. So let's remove the back cover. I already took the screws out, and I just have like a sneak peek inside to see if something is fishy. So I just noticed something. So I will show you in a few minutes under the microscope. And let's see together. Straightforward. Okay. On this side it's okay. Okay, so the back cover is out. Oh, pretty decent gaming laptop. Pretty clean also. The battery connector was removed, so it's not hooked to power. Okay, so someone already disconnected or had a look inside. So I don't know if you see something weird, but for sure you don't because it's too far away. After inspecting a little bit on the microscope, I noticed a burnt chip. Yep, a burnt chip. So let's have a look on the microscope. Let's see if I can put in such a way on the microscope that you also can see. Let me switch to microscope. Okay. And what we have here. Look, it's a burnt chip. It doesn't look pretty nice at all. So I already have a look on the schematics. So let me try to pull out the schematic for you. Indeed. So this is a PU 6601. Alright then. So let's switch to my PC screen. Okay, so this is the schematic. IC actually, and body view, and this is our schematic. So as you can already see, is PO, no, 6601. So what it does is a power CPU, and this doesn't look pretty good. So yeah, anyway, let's try to do some small tests and see. Okay. Let me turn on my multimeter. Buzzing. Should I go? Yeah, let's go on the microscope. Okay. Seems like it's working. Alright. Now, good. Let's buzz a little bit the area and to see exactly what's going on. But first, let me check if the main power rail is shorted. So, ground, this is plus, and this is the charger ID pin. So no, the main power rail is not shorted. But if we go here, so we have a coil, and then shorted. No, this is ground, this is plus. This area, it's okay. Wow. Really burn. I hope the chip is not welded. And then we have the coil. And the coil, 2 ohms resistance to ground. So this power line is shorted. Yep. And then we have all other lines basically short. This is okay. This is okay, but for sure the output of this IC it's toast. Great. Good. So I think yeah. Let's try to remove this one, or you know what? Let me try to hook the laptop. Let me plug the battery. Did you see smoke? Yeah, something is just for some zip power. No, nothing is heating up. Do you think the battery is shorted up also? No, it's okay. Well, for sure here this is this side it's okay, but for this side this is shorted. Great. Anyway, let me remove quickly the heatsink, and let's see, maybe we'll find something else. Not like well, let me go the top corner, and let's take out the heatsink. Nope, this is not the good one. This is the good one. So you see here on the left side my 3D printer, and I'm having quite fun. With the printer, I'm planning to upgrade one hot end, and yeah, when I have time. But now let's try to kind of correct order. I'm doing the screws. Okay. Hopefully this is out, and the file connector is underneath this plate, so let's try to remove it. Okay, and this was the SSD here, so it was already removed. Good. Any other screw, or we can already pull out. Okay, good. I have this one too. Alright. Hopefully it's fixable, but yeah, we have kind of limited chances. Okay, the heatsink is out. Nice. Look at the graphics. So big, ginormous. Let's buzz the microprocessor to see how many ohms we have here. 5 ohms. We don't see. Good. See? No. 5 ohms. Graphics 0.6. Anyway, the graphics is going to show always like a short or very low resistance. We have a BIOS chip shorted 0.6 ohms. We have a shorted BIOS power line. Great. How come? Do you think this chip provides the the 3.3 line. If we do remove the chip, what will be the resistance? What do you think? Great. Okay. Let's move along. Let's take out the string cable. Okay. String cable is out. The I/O board cable is out. RTC battery. Let's take it out. I need like a tweezer to push out the connector. We don't need this. So we can remove. Okay, we can take this off. Okay, so we have here motherboard. Do we need to take the battery out? Hopefully not. In order to this is an SSD. We have an SSD here. So is it put in place this way? Okay. It's not good anymore. So I believe we have some screws here. That's the screws. Nobody took out the motherboard, so I'm the first one. That's good. Okay. This metal bit is going out. Yes, it's going out. And then we have this clip here. Sorry. And this big fella. Okay. We are moving on slowly. I think this too. Maybe. They're quite long, so I think yeah. These two. Okay, good. I think we are almost there. What do you think? We have the keyboard connector underneath the SSD. Nice. You see? The hidden. And I remember I want to take one of these too. Good. I think there is something else. Oh yeah, you see? Here. Look. The audio cable. So the motherboard is out. Everything seems fine. But yeah, let's do like a quick inspection on the microscope. Is the image focus for you? Not really. Yeah. You can see what I see. Okay. Our super chip. Bigger chip. is right here. I think I will sneeze. Hopefully not. Okay, this area is clear. Okay. Okay. Good. So we have only the blown chip here, right? So where is my chip now? It's on the other side. Good. Look how pretty it is, right? No, it's not. Good. So let's remove the chip and let's see if it's our short. Is not. Place some flux. Good. 500 degrees. And need to be quick and accurate. You know what I mean? So let's pay attention to that connector there. So I'm trying from this side. Let's put in the area. Okay. Anytime soon. Yep. And then some other chip is out. I think the chip here on this side is welding. Is it going over there? Wow. Yeah. Yeah, the chip is welding. Oh, good. The chip is out. Looks good. Look. Look at the burn flow. It's clean. Hopefully I have some IPA. No, I did. Okay. You need something like a clean, lid-free tool. Oh, our pad is off. Okay, no problem, no problem. No worries, I think it's just fine. The board is a little bit burned, but nothing, yeah, nothing too special. Okay. Let's go a little more. Okay, the board is still hot, as the IP is evaporating very fast. So I think, yeah, we should leave it like this for the moment, because I don't have this chip. So if the shirt is gone, I don't have this chip. So that means I need to order, and I will continue the video in a few days. So today is only to try to see if it's fixable or not. Good. Great. So let's see. We still have that beautiful short to the coil. So let me zoom out a little bit so you can see a little bit of the big picture. Alrighty then. So the wood, I feel it is still hot, so it may show as a sharp. This is ground, buzz. So this is ground, this is plus. So here is no short. Another moment of truth. Short. No. No. I don't like that. I don't like that. Yeah. We do have a short. So let's see what is getting hot. So we have this coil. We have the PL6601. Let's see, PL6601. Let's go under the schematics. Trying to find. Okay. This is screen. So look, PL6601. PL6601 is right here. So this is the output 1.8 always for the CPU. Look, you see? Power, CPU power, 1.8. Oh yeah. What is the resistance? Good question. It shows, let me go on the top, on the desktop. No, it switched off. I hate this battery saving mode. So it shows 1.1 volts. Maybe. Now you can see it. So here at the coil 1 ohm, and my probes are 0.8. So the resistance is a little bit higher. So if we inject some voltage, What do you think is going to get hot? What do you think? So let's lower the voltage. I mean, first I need to switch my probes. So I think I have here somewhere a kind of, yep, kind of something to hook my ground. Yeah, and then I need to access my cables. Yeah. So I have my blackboard. Okay, but first let's go very low, 0.8 volts. Let's see how many amps we have now. Let's put the power limit to, yeah, 400 milliamps. And then what I need to do is to take my trusty infrared camera, and I have where Android, no, electronics, good. So I have our infrared camera right here. Great. So reflections. So I have the infrared camera ready. And then let's bring this here. Should I move the computer? Yeah. Let's take it out. We let the board here. Put the computer down. Swap probes. Let's first hook our motherboard to the ground, and we should have a black probe somewhere here, so black, and then we have ground here. That's good, and the black one. And now is the moment of truth. Okay, so we are just, the wood is still hot. Why is it so reddish? Okay. The CPU. So we have, as you can see, I can't focus. Nope, doesn't want to. Thank you. So if I check voltage here at the coil, as you can see, I have 0.2 volts and 400 milliamps. But the short is so low. You can ask for the thing. Can you see something? No, I don't. if we raise the voltage, so we know that it's a 1.8 volt line, let's go 1.3. It's going to do something. Something. Let's raise a little bit the current. Now we have like 1.4 amps. And this power is going where? In the CPU? No. So something is getting hot on my board, and I don't know what it is. Great. This is the RAM here. It is hidden underneath this shield. I think it's the RAM. So what is getting hot? Is because for sure something should get hot. Come on. 1.3 amps. Where is it going? I cannot see. What do you think? I cannot spot anything. What is the problem? I was expecting for the CPU to get hot, but no. The graphics? No. Yeah. I have like a fly or something flying around. It's midnight. Oh shoot. It's almost 1 o'clock in the morning. That's great. So let's see if my 1.3 ohms. You see, even my BIOS power is shorted. output. Nope, but the input is a 3 volts line. I need to short that. Yeah. Let me turn on my power supply and nothing is getting out. Something is taking this power and I don't know what it is. My screws. Stay here, my friend. I need you. Battery? Nope. How I can detect the short? Resistance is so low. That's the CPU. I cannot see anything. Huh? I can see on the other side. Yeah. I almost dropped my phone. I need like a third hand, huh? To do this. Great. You just saw my ball hair. And I mean, eight, no, too much. 8. Oh, have you seen this? I just raised the current 1.8 to the max, and the CPU is heating up in a corner. Have you seen this? The CPU is heating up in a corner. So that CPU, I knew that there's no chance with this one. So let me try to kind of focus here. So I'm gonna inject. Look, it's heating up. CPU on 5 amps. Wow, that's a lot. Off, on, off. You say power on, power out. I have a lot of reflections here, so you cannot see actually. It's really good. On, off. Okay, so I cannot do anything for this computer. Thanks for watching. I will put the computer back. I will not waste your time with this. And yeah, see you next video. Cheers.